two Malaysian men's doubles pair will be against each other. Chia So will be against Arif and Yep, and I want to see how Chia So will be performing against their own country players, and I am really looking forward for a win to, of course, Chia So they are going to win, but let's just hope Arif and Yep goes for a third set. Next match for Go Izzuddin. Yesterday's match was a little bit, I will say that, tougher, but today's match can be a little bit easy for Go Izzuddin. If I consider 2024, I will say that their run and how they performed in 2024, I am just hoping for their performance here too. Let's talk about next, Ranki Reddy Shetty Sachi versus Liang and Wong. I am really looking forward for this match because I really want Sachi to perform against Chia So in next round. So of course they have to win this match against Liang and Wong, but Liang and Wong are not easy player. They will not give you chance if you, I will say that, give little bit of option to them or little bit of gap to them. They will fill it and win the match. So this match will be tougher match. And timings, let me tell you, timing for Arif and Yep versus Chia So 8:40 Indian Standard Time means 10 around Malaysian Standard Time, 10 p.m. And next, whenever I say timings, I will always say Indian Standard Time. Okay. Next match goes within 9:40, 9:40, 9:30, around 9:30, 9:40, and Ranki Reddy Shetty around 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So for Malaysians, it will be around 12 a.m. or 12:30 a.m. So let's talk about next, which is also a good match and can be a banger match. Okay, so the match is Alfian Ardianto versus Hoki Kobayashi. I'm really looking forward for Hoki Kobayashi to perform, and I think out of this every matches, the best match can be two matches. First of all, Kim Seo versus Fernando Molana, and second will be Alfian Ardianto versus Hoki Kobayashi. Kim Seo match will be around same as Sachi's match will be going on, and this match at same time another match will be going on, men's doubles Alfian Ardianto and Hoki Kobayashi. I want to see how Indonesian pairs will be performing because from last, I will say that, few months I have always discussed that my Indonesian men's doubles are clearly performing very good. They are performing, man. But right now, Alfian and Ardianto has to win this match. Has to win this match against Hoki Kobayashi, and maybe this match can be easy for them. But Kim Seo versus Fernando and Molana, this match won't be easy for, I will say that, Kim Seo. Fernando and Molana are good players. So I have said, told you timings, and Menti match will be little bit easy. I will say that if you want to see, you can see that match against Lin and Wendy. Let's talk about women's doubles. In women's doubles, Pearl and Thanna will be against Mayasari and Ramadanti. They are not easy players. As second seeded players, Pearl and Thanna are second seeded and world rank 2 also, but Ramadanti and Mayasari has everything to do upset here. But one thing that I want to see here is that if Pearlton and Thinna try to finish the game in first and second set, that will be much more dominance from them. I want to see dominating a Pearlton and Thinna, both players, but I don't want to see a third set here because Ramadanti and Mayasari, both players are having experience for those third set, and they will try to do that. And timing will be around 9:20, 9:30 Indian Standard Time. Let's talk about next match. That can be a crazy good match if you want to see it. Okay, this match will be against Bakley and Kusuma Prativi. Kusuma Prativi are looking forward for their momentum from last few months, but Bakley has to prove themselves in this particular tournament. As from last so many time, Bakley are not performing as their caliber. This match will be around 8:40 Indian Standard Time, PM. Okay, 8:40 PM. So if you want to see it, you can see it. Next match, which is going on right now when I'm recording, Christian Boe versus Chinese Cheng and Zhang. Just look at the first set, won by Chinese pair 23-21, and second set they are leading with 13 and 16. I'm just imagining that right now. I have some thoughts here in my mind, like how can you defeat the dominance, I will say that, compete against mixed doubles pairs of Chinese and their domination in mixed doubles and mixed doubles and men's doubles too, and even in women's doubles too. Right now, what I am saying from this point of view is that yesterday, Christian and Boe defeated first seeded players Feng Wang from China. They were top rated players and Christian and Boe defeated them. But right now, Cheng and Zhang are giving tough fight to them. Just imagine how good Chinese pairs are, mixed doubles pairs are, how good they are performing. Right now, I'm thinking that if the scores are now 14 and 6 right now. I'm just thinking that Christian Boe may lose this set and may lose this match too. I'm just imagining that how greater their mixed doubles match, great mixed doubles pairs China is making. Hats off to them. No matter which pair they any player can play against, they are performing. Cheng and Zheng, crazy good, and the domination of China continues, man. Just imagine yesterday Christian Boy defeated first seed, and today Christian Boy are getting defeated against another Chinese pair. Man, crazy that is. And another match is going on, Midori Kawasaito versus Dechapol and Supisarra. A game has extended to third set, and I think scores are 7-6. I don't have right now any say that any predictions who will win and not. And next match, Malaysian pairs, two Malaysian pairs in mixed doubles, Hu Cheng versus Go and Lai. Easy match it will be for Go Lai to win. If you want to see, around 2 p.m. Will be started Indian Standard Time, of course. And next mixed doubles match, if you want to see, Chento versus Hidarutullah and Pasaribu. Okay, I am sorry if I am not saying name properly, but Chanto match can be easy for them to win. And if you want to see this match, 5 p.m. I will say that you can see around 5 p.m. Okay, now let's talk about women singles. And in women singles, matches are Akane Yamaguchi versus Ketethong. Easy match it can be for Akane Yamaguchi. Gregoria Tunjung versus Sim Eugene. This match can be I will say that breakthrough for Tunjung, as from last 2 to 3 days whenever I'm watching Tunjung's gameplay, I'm not getting those vibes that Tunjung used to perform in previous years in 2024 2023. So I hope she gets the momentum back against Sim Eugene, but Sim Eugene is not an easy player too. And An Xiang will be against Michelle Lee. Last time when they met, literally An Xiang defeated her with so big margin. But let's just hope for a good match. Michelle Lee gives a proper fight against An Xiang. Everyone knows who is going to win here. But big match coming. PV Sindhu versus Wang Zi. This match will be a breakthrough for PV Sindhu. If she defeats Wang Zi, it will be a big blow, because in past she had done good matches prior PV Sindhu, but right now she is not having that momentum. She's trying to cope up with the, I would say that in first set, whenever from last 2 days she is giving so many points to her opponents in first set, but in second set she is getting into momentum. But Wang Zi is a type of player, she will not give you chances. If you give her chances in first set, she will take complete match. So you can see the match around 4:30 p.m. IST, of course. And next match will be Chochuang versus Busanan. This match will be 10:30 p.m. Okay, so these were women singles. Let's talk about man singles matches. Man singles, Kunla Outwitted versus Alvi Farhan. Man, this match I'm looking forward to, and I will watch it. It will be around 8:30. I want to see how Alvi Farhan performs against top rated players. I want to see his potential. If he goes into third set, I will just say wow how he performed. But I want to see how Alvi Farhan can I will say that perform against the player like Kurlaud Vedesan, who is having everything like stable gameplay, stable everything. So he is youngster, Kurlaud is also youngster, but let's just see how they perform. Next match, Alex Lanier versus Wang Hongyang. Alex Lanier will be I will say the crowd favorite there, and he may win here too. Wang Hongyang but can do upset here. You cannot predict any Chinese players. Like any Chinese player you will win against any player. So I cannot predict here. But next match, which is important, Shiuchi versus Christo Popov. Last month maybe they performed against each other. match was, I will say, the stretch to second set or third set. I don't remember that, but there was some controversy in that match too. But what I remember here is that Kristopopov has the capability to push a third set against Shiuchi. But will Shiuchi give chance to Kristopopov? We can say in this match, and this match can be today's best match if you want to see. I'm just predicting that Shiuchi will finish in straight two sets, but I cannot say anything about Kristopopov because that crowd force, crowd support, and everything can push up third set. The match will be around 4:30 p.m. today. Around same match, PV Sindhu versus Wongzi will be going on too. So these were matches. Anderson Thompson versus Toma Junior Popo. This match can be a good too. It can push to third set too. But this match that I saw of Anderson Thompson yesterday against Pranav HS, he literally was playing, I will say, that little bit negative game. He was not trying to do so many attacks. He was just trying to continue the rallies, and he was literally losing the match in final set yesterday against Pranav HS. 2018 he was losing, but from at that point he won, and I was like, man, the mindset of Anderson is literally different. So you can just comment down below which match you are looking forward to. There are a few matches that I discussed in today's day 4 of World Championships 2025. So just comment down below your views and everything, and see you in next video. Bye bye.